I made a video game without writing a single line of code myself, and the game actually turned out pretty good. What the fuck's that? Hey yo! Make sure you guys stick around to the very end of the video to see if my game goes viral on social media. So I was sitting at my computer and I got a message from my friend saying,
Bet you can't make a popular game without writing any code, noob.
and that made me very mad. I was like, who do you think you are? Of course I can make a popular game, stupid mother. Anyways, to make this game without writing any code myself, I'm gonna be using Lua. Now let me make something very clear. I am a JavaScript developer. I make games with JavaScript. I have never coded in Lua before, and don't even know where I would start. So how am I gonna make this game if I'm not supposed to write any code in a language I don't even know? Well, see, Roblox has a game engine where you can use something called free models. Now my plan is to make a game completely with free models. I don't even know if this is possible, but let's get started. So I didn't really know what game I wanted to make. At first, I was thinking of some sort of brain rot RPG game, literally. But eventually, as I formed more and more of the map, using only free models by the way, I figured out that a horror game would be easier to implement. I found this creature free model that worked as an NPC that attacks you, and I wanted to make it a skid bee toilet. But that didn't work, so I settled on a scary noob. For now. Let's just say, later in the video, he gets a lot scarier. But as I continued, I wanted to make a game like Piggy where you collect keys to escape. I found some door and keep free models that I used as I continued making the map. As I finished making the map, I found like this free model teleporter that I used as a way to escape and win the game. I also got like this free model that gave me a loading screen, and I thought of a very scary title. Are you ready?
Escape the Noob!
Yeah, I'm still working on the title. But I had my first playtest and the game was looking very scary. But not scary enough. I added a stamina bar that didn't work. And I wanted to implement a jump scare system. And I didn't find one in the free models, so I used ChatGPT.
Why would you
So
do
how
that?
could you?
I know. I promised you that I would only use free models, but I technically didn't write any code myself, so I didn't break the rules. Yeah, Jeremy, I didn't break the rules, bro. Go back to watching the video, you stupid And I checked the game again, and it worked wonderfully. But something was missing. This game really didn't feel like a proper game. So I found like this minigame free model kit, and I wanted to turn the game into a proper minigame, where you spawn in a lobby, and you can vote for a map to play in. Here's the problem though. I playtested the game, and the voting on the map creation worked perfectly. I thought that this free model was going to really make my game good. But then there's a problem with the keys. To be honest, I was thinking about giving up at this point. It is something I would say if I was up. But I wanted to work on making the game more difficult. So I found a better NPC, and this NPC worked a lot better actually. And I ended up finding this very nice first person camera that was like very smooth, which I never kept for some reason. And you know the lobby that I made before? Hey, editor here. Yeah, I forgot to include the part where I told you guys I made a lobby, but yeah, I basically made a lobby. And yeah, that's my bad. And I'm using it now as a spawning point for players, where I use the teleportation pads from earlier to teleport you to the map. And then the game was pretty much done. Well, I did add a few more secrets, but I'll just play a footage of the gameplay for you to see on your own. Enjoy. What the fuck's that? Hey yo! And that was the game. To be honest, when I first made this game, I thought this game was pretty cool, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks pretty shit. I did not do all of this work for nothing. The whole point of this was to just see if my game can go viral on social media. So now I'm gonna edit a short and upload one on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Alright, so here we are on TikTok, and let's check the amount of views I got. Oh, wow. Only 3? What the f- Yeah, it only got 3 views, and 1 heart, and the only heart is from my grandmother. Nice. But now let's check Instagram. Okay, on the Instagram reel, it has 149 views. That's alright. I mean, honestly, I'm just hoping that YouTube is just... I got like 1 million views on YouTube or something. I'm just praying. 500 views! Okay, let's go. 500 views, 8 likes, and an actual comment that's not my grandmother. Let's go. So the total amount of views I have is 496 plus 149 plus 648 views. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see if I got any more players on the game. And the game only got 3 visits and 2 likes. What the f- Yeah, I guess that just goes to show how not trying that hard to make a game and only using free assets, it's not gonna do that well. So if we got anything out of this video, it is to not just use free assets. And I am never opening Roblox again.
The Roblox game engine is a piece of shit.
Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe, go check out my other content, and comment your guys' next video suggestions. Please, I'm desperate, please!